looking at Hurricane Delta.
Yep.
How do you think that it will impact the Galveston area?
Well, really, it's going to be with the seas, the elevated surf, really, really choppy conditions out there. So you definitely, if you can, avoid the beach here for today. It's going to be a whole lot better starting tomorrow and right through the weekend. And it's going to be warm as well. This morning, what's creating that some breezy to gusty winds that will take you throughout the day. And we're also tracking rain. So poor visibility once you get closer to that.
Well, if it rains, I don't care. Don't make no difference to me. Just take that streetcar, let's go in uptown. Yeah, I like to hear some funky Dixieland and dance a funky tongue. And I'll be buying everybody drinks all around. Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me?
Upwards of about an inch plus of rain. Otherwise, areas west of town, a very different story. Probably about a tenth of an inch of rain today. Let's put this into a forecast track. Expected to make landfall in southwest Louisiana, probably closer to Cameron around 5 to 7 p.m. tonight, and then races off to the east coast. So really beginning early tomorrow.
I hear hurricanes are blowing.